Begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients for the Kinder Bueno milkshake. You will need 2 Kinder Bueno chocolate bars, 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1 cup of milk, and optional toppings such as whipped cream, chocolate syrup, or extra pieces of Kinder Bueno. Start by unwrapping the Kinder Bueno bars and breaking them into smaller pieces. Place the pieces in a blender. Next, add the vanilla ice cream to the blender. The ice cream serves as the base for the milkshake and provides a creamy texture. Pour 1 cup of milk into the blender as well. This will help thin out the mixture and make it easier to blend. Secure the lid on the blender and turn it on to blend all the ingredients together. Blend until the mixture is smooth and all the chocolate pieces are finely mixed in. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a little more milk to reach your desired consistency. Once blended, pour the milkshake into a glass. You can top it with whipped cream and drizzle chocolate syrup over it for an extra touch of sweetness. If you want to get creative, you can also add some extra pieces of Kinder Bueno on top. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious Kinder Bueno milkshake. This treat combines the creamy richness of vanilla ice cream with the delightful crunch of Kinder Bueno, making it a perfect indulgence for chocolate lovers.